Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello everyone, I'm Yashoda. Here's the latest edition of Shulini University TV, brought to you by Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Shulini University. We tell you the news about what's happening in the campus.
FICCI Ladies Organization and Shulini University signs Memorandum of Understanding. Function of E-Studio starts. International Youth Day celebrated. Padma Shri K.K. Daruwala speaks on Writer's Choice. School of Hospitality and Hotel Management organizes a dozen webinars.
In a prestigious development, FICCI Ladies Organization has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Shulini University. To promote new businesses, Arzu has the details.
In a significant development, Shulini University and the FICCI Ladies Organization have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to provide a nurturing, instructive and supportive environment for all the entrepreneurs during the critical stages of starting up a new business.
Okay, once again, thank you. So why don't we, I think it's my name written, so I'm going to be signing it. So Meeta,
Yes, I'm right here.
go ahead.
Yes, let's go ahead.
The pictures.
Parna, I can talk about it later once the signing is done. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. I so wish this was in person and it was in Amritsar.
The MOU was signed by Shulini University Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla and Ms. Meeta Mehra, the chairperson of the FICCI Ladies Organization, Amritsar, over a virtual ceremony.
Many students have been asking about the E-Studio and how are faculty members teaching us online. Here is what they look like from inside and outside.
Almost 50 e-studios are now functional in the campus. Some classrooms too have been converted into e-studios, but at least 10 have become operational in newly constructed cottages. Here's a look inside of these cottages where teachers conduct classes. These studios are equipped with Internet Ethernet connectivity along with light boards and whiteboards for classroom experience.
Many new students must be wondering how does the campus look like these days. They have expressed their keen desire to be on the campus and are looking forward for the government permission to do so. Till then, we have prepared a short video to show how the campus looks like these days. The International Youth Day was celebrated in the university by organizing virtual open mic competition. Dipesh Chauhan has the details.
In order to make things livelier for the students during the pandemic, Spotlight, a virtual open mic for storytelling, beatboxing, rapping, singing and acting was organized on the occasion of International Youth Day. The aim was to provide students a platform to showcase their hidden talent and also improve their mental development.
बात करते थे दुनिया जहां की, फिर भी कीमत ना जान पाए 2 कमरा मकान की। बाप देखभाल करता था दुकान की, ताकि हम सो सकें नींद इत्मीनान की। अजीब जिंदगी के हमारे छोर थे, उन दिनों आखिर हम चले किस ओर थे।
That was Daniel Rizvi of BTech CSE, who emerged as the overall winner of the competition and gets to host a show on Radio Hills, who partnered with Shulini University.
And now Vishaka will share us the details on the session on the Writer's Choice organized by the Department of English.
Belletristic, the Literature Society of Department of English at Shulini University organized a session on The Writer's Choice. The speaker for the session was the renowned Indian author and poet Padma Shri K.K. Daruwala. He is a former Indian Police Service officer. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award by the Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy of Letters, in 1984 for his poetry collection, The Keeper of the Dead.
We are here another Belletristic Friday, and today we have Keki with us.
Yes.
That's Neeraj.
Hello,
And
sir. Hello,
yeah.
welcome, sir.
And this is Purnima Bali,
Hello, sir. Hello, good afternoon.
and the young lady in the green is Sakshi Sundaram.
Thanks very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm into Dante during the lockdown. I first wrote a lot of strident poetry. So I burrowed into Dante and I've written poetry also. I've firstly on the Black Death sonnets, which came after Dante, but I've got poems branching off from the Canto 10.
Professor Manju Jaidka, HOD Department of English at Shulini University, is the driving force behind the events. She stated that aim of Belletristic Fridays is threefold. 1. To go back to the basics and rediscover the classics of literature. Second is to spread the awareness and love for literature. And third is to create a platform where the young and old may be meaningfully engaged in the trying times of COVID-19.
Thank you, Vishaka. And now, Mansi will tell us about the series of webinar organized by the School of Hospitality and Hotel Management.
Shulini School of Hospitality and Hotel Management organized a compact series of 10 purposeful webinars during the pandemic lockdown. Eminent speakers from academia as well as from the hospitality industry participated.
Among those who participated in the webinars were Nirmal Kumar, Area Director of Revenue Strategy based out of Abu Dhabi, David Matthews, GM at Oberoi Retained, Bandra, Kurla, Mumbai, Shreyas Lade, Hotel Manager at Holiday Inn, Atrium, Singapore, Global Banker Farooq Siddiqui, CEO Asia Pacific at Falcon Group, London, Chef Satya Prakash Pandey, Executive Chef at Radisson Blue, Haridwar, Professor Deepra Jha, Scholarly Associate Professor with Washington State University's Carson College of Business, Shehin Shah Mirza, the fourth generation family member and great-grandson of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, the last ruler of the Kingdom of Awadh and Vijay Vanku, Senior Executive Vice President at the Janpat Imperial.
The webinar was organized by Mr. Pradeep Mazumdar, Director, Shulini School of Hospitality and Hotel Management, who also participated in several webinars as a guest speaker.
Thank you, Mansi. And now, we have the winner of Talent Challenge for this week, Sonia Verma from M-Pharma.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सोनिया हियर। मैंने उन लोगों की कुछ लिखा है जो अपनी ज़िंदगी के निराशा भरे समय से गुजर रहे हैं, और उन्हें मैं एक ही चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ कभी भी हार मत मानिए, नेवर एवर गिव अप। सो दिस सॉन्ग इज फॉर देम। दबी हुई आवाज में जो टूटे दिल के राज हैं, इन दीवारों में बंद बहुत से एहसास है, निराशा से जकड़ी हुई लगती हर सांस है, बेबसी की रात में अंधेरे का साथ है, माना कि दर्द होता है, दिल से सक रोता है, कोई भी अपना नहीं एहसास ये जो होता है। पर कब तक तू रोएगा, इन आंसुओं को खोएगा, तो उठ तू अब उठ जा, जरा खुद को तू जान ले, अपनी कीमत को जरा गौर से पहचान ले। इंसान हो कुछ खो के रोना बनता है, इंसान हो तो गिर के उठना बनता है, तो क्या हुआ जो खो दिया, तू कोशिशें तो करता जा, जीत तो तेरी ही है ये मान के तू चलता जा, जिंदगी तेरी कहानी तुझे खुद ही है निभानी, हक नहीं किसी और का के लिखे तेरी कहानी। उठ उठा कलम और लिख दे, बस लिख दे जो है ठानी। रोक ना कोई सके तेरी हिम्मत तूने जानी। कुछ तो कहेंगे लोग, इनका तो काम है कहना। पत्थर दिल लोगों से नहीं, तेरा कुछ लेना देना। तू योगा और ध्यान कर, प्राण की शक्ति बढ़ा। जीतनी है जंग तो पहले खुद से खुद को मिला। जंग तो तेरी ही थी, तुझसे ही थी, ये एहसास तुझे होगा। अब खुद को जो पाएगा फिर तू ही जीत जाएगा। देखेगी दुनिया और महान तू कहलाएगा। जय हिंद।
Wasn't that mesmerizing? All those who wants to showcase the talent must send their video on WhatsApp to 9888028882 or send to newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com. RJ Ruchika will now inform us about the Radio Shulini program for the coming week.
Hello lovelies, here's Ruchika with the list of shows for coming week. First on the list, there will be How to Maintain Good Mental Health by RJ Ayushi, and second, Punjabi Junction by RJ Rahul, and third, a very amazing show, Independence Day Special by RJ Gokul. So stay tuned and do watch these wonderful shows. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchika. Signing off now for these bulletins. We shall bring you the next edition on next Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.